Hello, everyone. Welcome to our show. My name is Ariele Belo. I'm the Director of Deaf and Hard of Hearing Services here at HSDC. Today's interview is going to be related to the COVID vaccine for children. It's now available for kids 5 and older, and I've invited Laura Gramer to join our discussion today. Welcome, Laura. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Laura. I am now the board president of HSDC, and I'm also vice president of Washington Hands and Voices. I also volunteer at my boys' school and also at different deaf organizations here in Seattle.
So the children's vaccine is now available in Washington State for children who are 5 and older. Those who are 5 and under it's not yet available for them, but hopefully soon in the future. So I wanted to ask you, Laura, are your children vaccinated or will they be soon?
Both of my boys got their first vaccine about 3 weeks ago, and they'll get their second dose in about 3 days. So I'm very excited.
All right. So I know a lot of parents and adults are wondering how to make an appointment. Could you talk a little bit about that?
First, I got an email from my hospital, the one that my insurance is linked to. They let me know that they did have some vaccine coming available soon and that I could go on a waiting list. To do that, I needed to call in and add my name to this waiting list, so I did that, made the call, told them my name, and then a few days later, it was all set. The appointment was made. Pretty easy. However, I do admit that I forgot to ask for an interpreter. After the first vaccine, we did have some miscommunication, but for the second injection, there will be an interpreter there.
Oh, great. Oh, hi.
Hi, on Monday, I just got my shot.
Good.
Not the second one, though. Not the second one. Soon.
Soon, yep. Just like me. I got mine.
Mom, are you done yet? I'll be done soon. Just hold on a second. I'm sorry.
So cute. That's Laura's son. So we can see right there, right? He's very excited for that second shot. So Washington State Department of Health, local counties, public health, community offices, they have what's called a vaccine locator. So what that is you can go to their website and they will show you how to make an appointment where you can get a vaccine, COVID vaccine for children. And you can also ask them to make an appointment for you. And when you do make that appointment, make sure that you're letting them know that you want the vaccine for children who are 5 and above. So Laura, since your kids have gotten that first shot and soon will get the second, can you explain a little bit about why that was important to you and your family?
It's important for our health, and also because I really want to help protect those around us in the community that we live in. I'm involved at my boys' school and with their sports. And I just want to be with my family. I want to help protect them and the community and to protect those out there who can't get the vaccine for various reasons. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, after I made that appointment with the hospital, my boys' school also had set up a vaccine clinic as well. So it seems like some school districts are doing that. And it was free. So I did have options. I'm sure that other people out there do too.
That's great. So there's other local opportunities, maybe a school, your children's school, that you could go to where that vaccine would be offered. And then you wouldn't have to drive maybe to a hospital. Great. So now that adults and children over 5 are eligible for the COVID vaccine, if you need more information, please check some of these websites, the State Department of Health, some local public health websites, city government websites like the City of Seattle, City of Bellingham. You can check those different websites for information. Also, talk with your children's doctor, their medical care provider, or you can contact Deaf and Hard of Hearing Services here at HSDC. We can help you with more assistance or resources. Laura, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Don't forget to request an ASL interpreter. It's important for communication, and they'll be masked. They will wear a mask. Um, I don't know if it'll be a clear plastic mask, but it'll be good. It's a good idea to ask for an interpreter.
Great. Thank you so much for joining our show. Thanks and have a good day.
Bye.